Welcome, my love. This meditation is a space to unwind after a work day, to release the stress, the to-do list, the energy of others you've been carrying. Right now, nothing else is required of you. This is your time to rest, to let go, and to come back to yourself. So let's begin. Find a comfortable seat or lie down. Close your eyes if that feels good. And let your body to begin to soften. Take a slow inhale through your nose and sigh out through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply. Exhale, letting your shoulders drop, your jaw soften. One more time, full nourishing inhale. And release everything with the exhale. Now just let your breath return to a natural rhythm. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest and the belly. With every exhale, imagine the weight of your day melting away, softening, dissolving. And we'll begin with a soft body scan to release any tension that might be lingering in your body. Bring your awareness to the top of the head. Notice the muscles of your skull, your forehead, without changing anything at the moment. Simply notice if you're holding tension here. And with your next exhale, soften, release. Move your attention down to your eyes, your jaw. Notice if the jaw is tight from talking or maybe clenching during the day. Let your tongue soften. Teeth separate slightly. Your lips relax. Bring your awareness into your shoulders. Maybe they've been working hard all day, holding on to stress. With a long exhale, imagine your shoulders dropping down and away from your ears. Now travel down your arms, your hands, the palms that have been busy typing, holding, writing. Let them grow heavy, soft, and open. Bring awareness to your chest and your heart space. Notice any lingering emotions or energy from the day. Just breathe into the space, allowing whatever is there to be acknowledged. And with every exhale, let it soften. Let it release. Move down into your belly. Often the belly holds tension from stress. See if you can soften the muscles of your belly, allowing the breath to flow more freely. Notice your hips and your legs, where the body stores so much of our stress response, the flight or flight energy. Imagine them heavy, sinking into the surface beneath you, safe to release. And finally, bring awareness all the way down to your feet. Allow them to soften, grounding you into this moment. Now that your body is softening, notice what emotions are lingering from the day. Stress, worry, maybe irritation, or even excitement that might feel too busy. Whatever is here, just acknowledge it, like a gentle observer. With every exhale, imagine breathing it out. Picture the emotions leaving your body like a smoke, dissolving into the air. Each breath creates more space, more lightness. Now imagine all the energy of your workday as a heavy jacket you've been wearing. And now with kindness, imagine yourself unzipping it and slipping it off your shoulders and placing it outside. It doesn't belong to you anymore. And breathe in, feeling the freedom of your body without that weight. And breathe out, stepping into your evening self. You're being calm, grounded, and open. Now take a moment to notice how your body feels now compared to when you started. Notice if your breath feels any calmer. Maybe there's some more softness in your body or stillness in your mind. Whatever there is, allow it to be just as it is. Then when you're ready, gently start wiggling your fingers and your toes. Deepening your breath. And then bring your palms together at your heart. And take one last deep inhale. And a long exhale out. And then whisper a little gratitude to yourself for showing up today, for giving yourself this mindset reset. And carry this calm, present energy with you into the rest of your evening. Namaste.